Dear students, I welcome you all to this new course, that is English 3 Technical and Presentation Skills. In today's session, I'll be guiding you about the nature of the course and different contents and skills which you will be able to learn through this course. So let's move on to course description. This course description helps you understand what kind of course this English 3 is. First of all, what you need to understand is, for professional growth and future development, effective presentation skills and interactive and interpersonal communicative skills are very important. In simple words, in today's world, knowledge is not sufficient unless you have the skill to convey your ideas to other people in an easily understandable way. So these skills of presentation and communication are very essential for all the students. This course offers methods, techniques and drills. Drills are different practices and exercises, significant and useful in optimizing communication and presentation skills of the learners, enabling them to face divergent groups of audience with poise and confidence. So basically this course teaches you mainly two big practical skills. One is communication and the other is presentation. So after completing this course, you will be able to face a large number of people and express your ideas with calmness and confidence. Next, let's look at the course objectives. What are the goals which you will be able to achieve after the completion of the course? This course is designed to help students identify essential components of a presentation. So in this course, I'll be talking in detail about presentation and different aspects related to it. So you will be able to understand what a presentation is and what you need to do in order to make your presentation very attractive and interactive for your listeners. Second objective is to develop the awareness, knowledge, skills and attitudes required to deliver effective academic presentations and communicate clearly. So again, if you look at this point, it helps you understand that this course brings together many skills uh, working together. So you need to put your knowledge into practice. You should be able to express your ideas very easily to your audience. The third goal is to provide techniques to facilitate effective interpersonal and interactive communication. So it means it helps you develop this ability to talk to a number of people at the same time and make yourself understood. I have divided this course into three parts: presentation skills, communication skills and different skills like interviews, applications, letters, CV writing, etc. So in presentation, you will be learning about planning and delivering your presentation, and then I'll be also guiding you about how to speak to a large number of people with confidence, because public speaking has become a very important skill in our today's world. So the kind of fear that sometimes people face when it comes to face and interact with a lot of people must be overcome if you want to succeed in practical life. So we'll be talking about this topic in detail in our upcoming sessions. Next, I'll be talking about how to use PowerPoint, visual aids, videos and images to make your presentation more attractive for the audience. And then I'll also discuss audience analysis, how you uh, should gather knowledge about your listeners, because if you know your audience, you can communicate better. In communication, I'll introduce what communication actually means, what are its different types, and then what are different barriers, obstacles, problems which cause confusion and misunderstanding when communication is going on. So if you know these barriers, you can overcome them, you can try to avoid them so as to make your communication confusion free. Nobody should be confused about what you are saying. And then we'll discuss business communication, how to deal with your customers and how to communicate when you are working as a team. In the end, there is a very important topic, that is 7 C's of communication. So these are actually 7 words starting with the alphabet C. That is why they are called C's. Many C's together. In the end, we'll be looking at various skills included in this course, which are interviews for scholarship, job, internship, and then applications for leave, job, complaint, and then formal letters, memos and emails, and then writing CV. Now in a nutshell, this course is very important considering the demand of today's world. So I hope after going through the introduction of the course, you will be excited to learn all these skills very carefully and use them to your advantage. See you next time. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.